I've been exploring the Bank of America brokerage account for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's start with the basics. Bank of America offers investment services primarily through Merrill, which is its wealth management arm. This means you get access to a broad range of investment products, such as stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, options, and more, all integrated with your Bank of America banking accounts for seamless transfers and easy money management. Now let's talk about the platform itself. Merrill's online brokerage is designed for both new and experienced investors. You can manage your investments through a user-friendly website or their highly rated mobile app. And if you're already a Bank of America customer, you'll appreciate how easy it is to move money between your checking, savings, and brokerage accounts. This tight integration is a real advantage, especially if you want to keep all your finances under one roof. Furthermore, when it comes to fees, Merrill's pricing is competitive, but not always the lowest in the industry. For self-directed online trades, you'll typically pay $0 commissions on stocks and ETFs, which is now standard among major brokers. However, there are still some fees to watch out for, especially if you're trading mutual funds, options, or want broker-assisted trades. For example, mutual fund trades can cost up to $74.95 per purchase, and options trades carry a per-contract fee. There are also annual account maintenance fees for certain account types, ranging from $65 to $125, and IRA accounts may have custodial fees unless you meet specific conditions. One of the most valuable aspects of a Bank of America brokerage account is its access to research, educational resources, and personalized advice. Additionally, through Merrill, you get robust market insights, research reports, and even the option to work with a financial advisor if you want more hands-on guidance. For high-net-worth clients, Bank of America Private Bank offers specialized asset management, including expertise in real assets like real estate, farmland, and private businesses, ideal for those looking to diversify with non-traditional investments. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while Merrill's technology and integration are strong, some investors might find the mutual fund and options trading fees higher than what you'll see at pure online brokers. Additionally, while the research and advisor access are great perks, they're most valuable if you plan to take advantage of them. Otherwise, you might be paying for features you don't use. To sum it up, Bank of America's brokerage account, powered by Merrill, is a solid choice for those who already bank with Bank of America and want everything in one place, or for investors who value access to research, advice, and a broad suite of investment options. But if you're laser-focused on minimizing fees, especially for mutual funds and options, you might want to explore other options. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.